Introducing the GEEKOM IT15, the most powerful AI mini PC that's changing the game for videographers, coders, and AI enthusiasts. This beast of a device is powered by Intel's Ultra 9 285H processor, offering a staggering 99 TOPS AI performance. In simple terms, that means you can edit 4K video and run AI models faster than ever before. So what's the problem here? Are you tired of wrestling with laggy video editing software or waiting for what feels like an eternity for your code to compile? Do you struggle to keep up with the demands of AI-driven workflows? That's where the GEEKOM IT15 comes in, a miniature powerhouse that's designed to take on the toughest tasks. Let's dive into the core benefits that make this device so compelling. First, you get the Intel Ultra 9 285H processor, which is a serious beast when it comes to AI performance. Add to that 32 gigabytes of DDR5 memory, 2 terabytes of solid-state storage, and the Arc 140T GPU, and you've got a recipe for smooth, seamless performance. This means you can edit video, render 3D models, and run complex AI algorithms without breaking a sweat. But here's the beauty of it. The GEEKOM IT15 isn't just a machine, it's an experience. Imagine working on a complex video project with multiple 4K streams, 3D animations, and AI-generated effects. You're rendering, compositing, and color grading in real time, without any lag or artifacts. It's a liberating feeling, knowing that your creativity is the only thing holding you back, not your hardware. So, what do you do with this level of performance? You create something truly remarkable. You push the boundaries of video editing, explore new frontiers in AI-driven art, and make a real impact in your work. The GEEKOM IT15 is more than just a tool. It's a key to unlocking your full potential as a creator. In conclusion, if you're ready to take your creative work to the next level, look no further than the GEEKOM IT15. This is a game-changing device that's poised to revolutionize the way we work with AI, video, and code. So what are you waiting for? Get your GEEKOM IT15 today and unleash your full creative potential.